we are truly, truly grateful that you found time to visit us in Kenya. And the discussions I have had with you on the many aspects speak to the strength of the relationship between our two countries, including our membership of the East African community.
I'm very happy to be here and discuss with His Excellency all these issues, because that's what we were discussing. How can you have the sitting room in another country, the bedroom in another country, the kitchen in another country? What sort of arrangement is this?
Karibu sana, and I look forward to our fruitful engagement.